Hi, I'm going to show you how to convert square millimeter to square feet area in AutoCAD. Let's get into the video first. First thing, you need to turn on a selection cycling. So defaultly it should be turned off, but here you need to turn on selection cycling. Then you need to go to BO commands. In BO commands you need to select BO boundary. Then you need to click on pick point. Then you need to select whatever you need to calculate the area. You should be select or you click on that and click on enter. Then go to the boundary lines and pick the lines and click on polylines. Then you need to press Ctrl and 1. So here you can see the option called geometry. So in that you need to go to area first, then it will enable the calculator, then click on calculator. So here you got the total millimeter square area. So you need to come back, you need to come down. Yeah, here unit type is length, but we need to select on area. But so then convert from square millimeter, actually it is in meter, so we need to click on square millimeter, convert to square feet. So you got this, how much totally this area, actually it is in millimeter square. So right now we got 15.17 square feet. Yeah, so this is the actual square feet area. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So catch you in the next one.